Welcome back to Short Scale Modelling. My next build, following on from the Han Solo build, is this Bandi Star Wars Boba Fett. Scale is 1/12. So as I said, this is following from the Han Solo video that I did and built. So let's have a look what's in the box. I've already taken the contents out of the box on this one. I haven't taken them out the bag yet, so the first set of sprues. First of all, First of all, we have a set of decals here, and then we have a smaller sprue. This looks like all the sockets and things like that, ball joints. Then we have the body armor cape. I would have preferred if that was a vinyl cape actually instead of solid plastic. Looks like that this is the face or helmet or something. The next set of screws. We have similar to the kit, we have a between decals and stickers. And we have the stand and the main sprues here. We have part of the body armor. This will be the back of the armor. I would imagine that's for the jetpack, and that's the jetpack there. And we have the main armor, various hands, bodies, legs, torsos. Here. And the last set of sprues. This looks like the shoulder pads, well, shoulder armor. Some sundries here for the weapons, better looks of it. Whip, handle of the, well, stock of the weapon. And feet in the weapon as well, part of the stand as well, I would assume this. So like there's not that many parts here, but there's enough. Into the instructions. Have a look at these. So the normal do's and don'ts. And start off with the build. So we're starting off with the hair, going over to the body, and to the waist, right leg, left leg, equipment, and right arm. So there's not that much to it. Unlike the Solo one, this looks like it probably will benefit for painting, because there'll be a lot of chipping involved with Boba Fett, so I will paint most of this. So I'll go and get the parts washed and prepped, get everything together before I start the build. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you go and check out the channel for my other builds, particularly for the Han Solo build. If you subscribe to the channel, please do so. Make sure you hit the notification bell, that way you'll be kept up to date not only with this build, but all my future builds as well, of course. Hit the like button, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and of course you can share the video. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.